Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Chevy Nova 454, a legendary name reborn with modern engineering and raw muscle power. The Nova has always been an icon, and this latest version continues that legacy with an aggressive stance, high performance, and cutting-edge technology. The Chevy Nova first gained fame in the 1960s as a compact, affordable muscle car that delivered big performance without the big price tag. Over the years, it evolved into a powerhouse, and now, in 2025, Chevrolet has reimagined it with a monstrous 454 engine, a nod to the past but with modern enhancements. This version is built for enthusiasts who crave old-school muscle with modern reliability and efficiency. The 2025 Chevy Nova 454 is expected to make waves in the United States, where muscle cars continue to dominate the market. It will also attract interest in Canada, Australia, and parts of Europe, where classic American performance cars have a loyal fan base. The demand for high-performance, V8-powered cars is still strong, and the Nova 454 fits right into that niche. Performance is at the heart of the Nova 454. Under the hood, it packs a modernized 7.4-liter V8, delivering over 600 horsepower. This beast accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest muscle cars in its class. The advanced suspension, rear-wheel drive system, and precision engineering ensure an exhilarating driving experience, whether on the streets or the track. Fuel efficiency has always been a challenge for big block engines, but Chevrolet has integrated modern fuel injection and cylinder deactivation technology to make the Nova 454 more efficient than its predecessors. While it won't match the fuel economy of smaller engines or EVs, it offers respectable mileage for a performance-focused vehicle, striking a balance between power and practicality. The Nova 454 isn't just about speed, it's built to handle any challenge. With an upgraded chassis, reinforced body structure, and performance brakes, it delivers stability and control even at high speeds. Whether cruising on highways or pushing limits on a racetrack, this car is designed to perform with precision. Key features include a retro-inspired yet high-tech interior, with digital displays, customizable driving modes, and premium leather seats. The infotainment system is equipped with the latest connectivity features, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and collision prevention make it a muscle car that's also smart and secure. Pricing for the 2025 Chevy Nova 454 is expected to start around $75,000, making it an attractive option for those who want extreme performance without reaching supercar prices. With limited production numbers, demand is expected to be high, and collectors will be eager to get their hands on this modern classic. The biggest selling point of the Nova 454 is its combination of heritage and high performance. It brings back the spirit of classic American muscle while incorporating the latest technology, ensuring it's not just a nostalgic revival but a true contender in today's performance car scene. The unmistakable roar of the 454, combined with its aggressive design and modern enhancements, makes this a dream car for muscle car lovers everywhere. That's a wrap on the 2025 Chevy Nova 454. If you love high-performance cars and want to stay updated on the latest automotive releases, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video on New Brand Car.